Here we have the suggested solution for the sample exam Part B, question 2. You were asked to provide details of the costs of the waste cleaning system for the next 10 years. So first of all, there's the cost of the new equipment of $468,289. Notice it's just the cost of the equipment. We don't worry about the depreciation, as this is an allocation of cost and it's excluded from the analysis. Remember, in decision making, it's really important to identify the appropriate information for the decision. Then there are the total operational costs of $14,345 over the 10 years. The total cost of cleaning the system, which was $7,600 a year for every 2 years, so that's multiplied by 5. And then there's the total value of reclaimed water, which is $17,340 each year. So the total cost for the 10 years is $476,339. Now, there's been no attempt here to take into account the time value of money, and I think it's important to recognise that the question actually didn't ask for this. The question actually asked to prepare a summary of the total costs for the next 10 years. So that's the total costs for the next 10 years. If you go on to do part 2, should Red Rose invest in this equipment? Well, then it may be appropriate to think about using net present value to work out whether there is a positive net present value for this. But what we're really focusing on and getting you to do an answer to this question is to think about some of the other things that needed to be identified in making a decision. It's not all about the numbers. So there's the impact of not implementing the system, and that's really important. It's an opportunity cost, and we didn't have details of the opportunity costs there, but you've always got to consider what is the impact of not implementing the system, what is the impact of not doing something. And there's the issue about how much importance the company places on those factors that are difficult to quantify, such as the impact of continuing to dump waste in the river, on the employees, the community and the environment, and the reputational impact. So there are a number of other things that need to be taken into account, as well as the dollar value.